Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make your Wix website mobile friendly. So first things first, make sure you have a Wix website signed up and logged in, and go ahead and go to the Wix website dashboard. Once you're on the Wix dashboard, on the upper left corner, go ahead and click on your account name, and then see all the different sites that your account has under its belt. Go ahead and choose any site that you have active on your account. Now, once you've opened a site, as you can see, for me, this will be my portfolio site. From here, you can see how it'll be displayed on a computer screen or a non-mobile device. From this website editor, you can add headings, change them, focus on different elements on your site, and see all the different options Wix has for website editing. Remember to always save any changes you've made while editing your site by clicking on the Save button on the upper right-hand corner. Now, what we want to do is on the upper left corner, underneath the Dev Mode button, click on the icon that looks like a mobile device. By clicking on that button, you can now enter the mobile editor for your website. You can now start customizing your website and see how it'll look like on most modern day mobile devices. From this editor, you can see all the different formatting options you have, from setting up quick elements, quick actions, and adding different elements the same way you were doing using the normal computer editor. What's nice using the Wix editor is that you can even hide certain elements on mobile devices and showing them only on computers and tablets. You also have a ton of options of changing your mobile site, like adding a welcome screen, changing the browser theme color, and editing almost every single element on your mobile website. Feel free to go and explore all the different options you can use in order to edit your mobile website on Wix. From adding different elements, to editing and viewing all the different pages of your website, to even changing the background color, it's all so quick and easy using the Wix editor, all with a click of a button. As always, make sure to save any changes you do using the editor to avoid any inconveniences. Once you're happy with the changes you've made, go ahead and publish your account, and there you go. You now have a Wix website that's formatted to both mobile and computers. Now that's the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you learned something new, feel free to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.